Hi everybody, I'm Chef Pops. Today I'm going to show you homemade hot sauce using different colored peppers. Let's get started. In today's recipe we'll be using all these ingredients. I have cut 2 red bell peppers into small pieces. Along with the bell peppers we'll be using 3 red color Scotch Bonnet pepper, 1 cup of orange juice, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon salt. These are some examples of Scotch Bonnet peppers. They come in different colors because this is a red color hot sauce. We are using 3 red Scotch Bonnet peppers. Now I'll start by putting all these ingredients in the blender. We have 2 bell peppers there, 3 Scotch Bonnet peppers, 1 cup orange juice, 1 tablespoon oil, this is canola oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon brown sugar. Now we'll grind this into a puree. I grind this for about minute and a half till the time everything is nice and smooth. Now we'll put this in the pot. This sauce is right now liquidy, so we are going to boil it for a while till the time most of the water is out. We'll start boiling this on high heat. So right now it's heating up slowly. Once it starts, you'll see the boiling going on. Now you can see it started to boil, and I'll keep on stirring it. You can now see water is evaporating, and I'll keep on stirring so that it doesn't stick at the bottom. This can go on for about 5 minutes or so. Now the water is boiling rapidly and I'll keep on stirring it. This is still on high heat. It's been about 5 minutes and I'm going to change the temperature to medium. I'll still keep on stirring it. You don't want the sauce to get stuck at the bottom. And you can see like there are less bubbles than before, so a lot of this water is out, and I'll still keep on stirring it. You can see the thickness of the sauce. By boiling this mix, we are cooking the ingredients as well as we are reducing the water. So when you cook the ingredients, it will give you longer shelf life. See how thick it becomes now? This looks pretty okay. I'm going to shut it now. We'll let it cool down. Earlier I prepared yellow and green hot sauces. In yellow I used 2 bell peppers and 3 yellow Scotch Bonnet peppers. For green I used 2 green bell peppers and 3 Scotch Bonnet green peppers. I used the same process as I showed you for the red ones, and these are the 3 samples here. You can prepare it any way you want. All of them will give you a little bit different flavor, but they all will be hot because Scotch Bonnet peppers are hot. Now I'll taste test the hot sauces, and I'll start with green. And I can taste green bell pepper. It's nice, but it's spicy. Let's see how the yellow one is. Again, I can taste yellow bell pepper. It's more spicy than this. The final one. best taste in this. I love it.
This is our homemade hot sauce ready to use. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please leave them below in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, please do so. And remember to hit the bell button so you are notified each and every time we post a new video. And remember to share this video with all of your friends.
Until next time.